I also performed on the burlesque stage as a student because the Perechula would have an annual concert. And it was at the Victory Theater, then on Spadina Avenue, which later became, before and after, it was the Yiddish Theater, like it was the Second Avenue of Toronto, next to Chopsy's Delicatessen. And you'd perform. You'd sing songs, you'd do a play, you'd recite poetry, and it was very nice, you know, and people would come and there was you know, an audience for it, and they'd bring in Yiddish performers. I think actually people like Jigana Schumacher, Menashe Skolnick. I mean, it wasn't like Montreal, which at that time was the center of the Yiddish culture, but it wasn't bad. You know, it was sort of a circuit. And so I remember that. I remember being on the stage. I remember getting a silver dollar from Mr. Green, who was a big developer, because everybody got a silver dollar after the performance. You know, how old was I? 6? Probably till I was about 10 years old. They did that every year. And, you know, they'd be singing. I, of course, had to mouth the words. I cannot sing to save my life. And I was told, Malka, just mouth the words. You're spoiling the melody. My 5th grade teacher, Miss Breckenridge, told me the same thing in public school. But no, it was a very lively thing.